Hi there, students. Speak softly and carry a big stick. Okay, this is a proverb. It means that you should attempt to persuade peacefully to start with. Start with peaceful negotiations, but also make it very clear that you are prepared for a confrontation and display your power. Okay, this phrase, speak softly and carry a big stick, was popularized by Theodore Roosevelt, an American president. Um, and effectively, what he's saying with this is negotiate with foreign powers and try to be fair and just towards them, but also have a big army or a big military capability, so that they know that if they don't negotiate reasonably, then you are prepared to act. Okay, this is also called big stick ideology or big stick diplomacy or big stick policy. Yeah, okay, it's the idea of have a big army, but be fair when you're negotiating. And if then people are, or other countries or foreign countries are not prepared to negotiate reasonably, then let them know or let them see that you are very willing and able to strike, and to strike very hard as well. Okay, so this is the idea of speak softly and carry a big stick. I've also heard this used as talk softly and carry a big stick, or walk softly and carry a big stick, but the meaning is the same. So back up what you say with a show of strength. Yeah, so show, when negotiating, show that you are negotiating from a position of strength. Don't boast, don't make verbal threats, but but let everyone else be aware that you're prepared to use physical force if necessary. And this is the idea of big stick diplomacy. I think this is very similar to the idea of you get more with a kind word and a gun than you do with a kind word alone. Okay, so yeah, be honest and reasonable, but then if you don't, let everyone know that you're going to defend your position. Okay, so carry a big stick. Yeah, speak softly and carry a big stick. Be prepared to negotiate, and negotiate reasonably with all reasonableness, but show that you are doing this from a position of strength. So enough. Well, this is a proverb, and formality, I think I'm going to give this a 5. I think you could use it just about anywhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Carry a big stick and speak softly, or the other way around, speak softly and carry a big stick.